can't spell success without you. PowerPlan Project presents
Back in the Kitchen.
Quick and easy perfect instant gravy. Works regardless of gravy type or brand.
Hello and welcome back to Back in the Kitchen. A little while ago we did a adding fruit and veg special where we was adding veg in gravy, and that's a great way of actually getting people to eat vegetables without realising it. However, there are a lot of people that just prefer instant gravy because one, it's believed to be fast, and secondly, of course, is that it's far easier just to grab something out of the cupboard with minimum effort and get maximum instant reward. So what we're going to do today is have a look at instant gravy. Now this will actually work with any gravy type. You can use beef, onion, chicken, vegetable gravy granules. So what we're going to do first of all is put the kettle on. We need lots of boiling water. While the kettle's on, what we need to do is weigh out 21 grams of gravy granules, and what I'm going to do is just pop it into this jug. So once the kettle's boiled, what we want to do is fill a mug with water. Now this is roughly 280 millilitres. You could actually measure it out in a jug if you wanted to. But once we've got a mug of water, what we need to do is put it into the jug and give it a quick stir. Once we've stirred it, we just leave it alone, and we're going to leave it in the jug now for roughly 10 minutes. In fact, for the demo of this video, what I actually did was move it from the jug back into the cup because I was cooking something else and I actually needed the jug. But whatever we do, we just leave that there for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, give it a good stir. And what we'll see is that most of the lumps from the granules have now disappeared. The gravy's thickened up. We can easily pour this directly onto our food, or even better, put it into a gravy bowl, and then that way your guests and the family can actually help themselves. Now as you can see, there's very little lumps in this gravy. It's a nice consistency, it's very glossy, it's very appealing when it's on the dining room table. One of the problems that we do have is that people are putting lots and lots of gravy granules, boosting up the calorie count and making it thicker that way. Other people will just say, I'll just stick with the thin gravy. Or even I've known people which has gone through a full tub of gravy granules trying to get the correct consistency and failed. So the trick is on this video is simply a 10-minute wait from putting the boiling water in to serving it. When we're back in the kitchen, probably similar to brand versus brand, I like to have a bit of a twist to it. So in the video we've used basically an instant gravy that I had in Aldi. And going through the nutrition, the entire gravy bowl will come to 102 calories with 4.2 saturated fat and 9.3 carbohydrates. And it actually costs 7 pence to make the gravy bowl, which is very cheap, very realistic. A gravy bowl like this in theory would actually serve 4, but if you're like me, you like daubing the gravy on your pies or your vegetables, your Sunday roasts, your Yorkshire puddings. So I'll class this as 2 servings rather than 4, which means that per serving we have 51 calories, 2.10 in saturated fat and 4.65 in carbohydrates. And it does work out around 3.5 pence per serving. But that's me being old, we don't have half pences anymore. What I do find interesting though is that if we do switch brands from the Aldi brand to a Bisto roast beef type granule, using the same amount of granules and the same amount of water, we can actually reduce the calorie count for the old gravy jug to 73.5. We can reduce the saturated fat to 0.7, but it will have a carbohydrate of 14.3 per gravy jug. So we all see these Aldi adverts, come and shop with us, you can save a lot of money, life's good. What I've discovered with this is that yes, it's true, is that you can actually save quite a lot of money with the Aldi version. But the downside is that we would be having slightly more calories, we would be having quite a bit more saturated fat. So wanting to lose weight, or if you're worried about your heart issues, cholesterol, blood pressure, then you're actually better off with a Bisto one. Even though it's more expensive, it's kind of invested into yourself. However, if you're the type of person which likes to have gravy at night, maybe a late evening meal, or you're worried about your sugar levels or diabetes type 2, then amazingly, the Aldi version is better because we're literally reducing the gravy bowl from 14.3 carbs with Bisto to 9.3 we're using the Aldi, which once again is quite a serving. So we know the argument is really all of gravy is quite low in calories, quite low in saturated fat and carbs. However, if you can get a better brand just for your health needs, it's going to be a lot better for you, and also it's going to improve your lifestyle and it's going to improve your fitness level just by one simple switch. And what you have to do sometimes, especially if you want to lose weight or you're worried about heart issues, is invest in yourself, which does sometimes mean you have to spend those extra little pennies to make sure that you get the right brand for your needs. So that's it for this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you've enjoyed it. If you're watching on Facebook, then please like and share. Get the word around that we're here and we're doing things. So until next time, stay safe and we will see you soon.
If you have enjoyed this video, then please provide your support by liking this video and subscribing to this YouTube channel. If you are watching on Facebook, then please like and share this video with your family and friends. And as always, thank you for viewing.